Ever found yourself contemplating the financial architects tirelessly underpinning our healthcare system? Today at Coco Finance, we gracefully lift the veil on the earnings of NHS staff, from the adept surgeons to the compassionate nurses. We reveal the genuine remuneration packages that sustain the lifeblood of our health services. Whether you are a long-standing devotee or newly acquainted with our channel, please do subscribe and activate notifications to receive a trove of enthralling financial insights direct to your device. The NHS stands as a bastion of healthcare in the United Kingdom, employing an extensive array of professionals who are integral in administering health services across the nation. The remuneration structure, known as the Agenda for Change, elegantly outlines progression pathways based on one's role and responsibilities, exemplifying the very essence of equity. Starting with our cherished nurses, these paragons commence their careers with salaries between £27,000 and £32,000 annually. These figures may climb, contingent upon additional qualifications and specialised responsibilities they undertake. Consultants, residing at the zenith of the medical profession, command a starting salary ranging from £84,000 to £100,000 per year, which burgeons with advanced experience and specialised expertise. General practitioners, or GPs, are introduced at an average of $64,000, with potential to surpass $100,000, reflecting their burgeoning responsibilities and experience. Allied health professionals, including physiotherapists, radiographers, and occupational therapists, begin their career journey with salaries typically nestled between $26,000 and $31,000. Venturing into the nuanced departments, the emergency department stands out, rewarding its critical staff with salaries that mirror the indispensable skills and intense conditions they routinely navigate. Specialists in pediatrics and mental health also receive compensations, acknowledging the complexities and demands of their meticulous fields. Additionally, let us consider the smaller yet equally vital departments within the NHS: dermatology. These specialists diagnose and treat a plethora of skin conditions, and their salaries reflect the intricate nature of their work, often requiring detailed knowledge and a gentle patient approach. Geriatrics. Focused on elderly care, professionals in this department deal with a spectrum of age-related health issues. Their expertise in managing multiple health conditions simultaneously is crucial and is compensated accordingly. Neurology. Neurologists deal with complex disorders of the nervous system. Given the critical and sensitive nature of their work, their remuneration is aligned with the high level of specialization and expertise required. Joining the ranks of the NHS is not solely about financial gain, but resonates with a deeper calling to service and dedication to healthcare. Prospective staff must possess relevant academic qualifications, often requiring specific training provided during employment, and must register with the appropriate health authority, ensuring their credibility and competence. Beyond the allure of a substantial paycheck, the NHS offers a stable and esteemed career, adorned with excellent pension benefits, extensive opportunities for professional development, and the daily opportunity to make a profound impact on the lives of countless individuals. Our comprehensive exploration into NHS salaries illuminates a sector that not only challenges its employees, but also rewards them handsomely for their essential roles. Whether you are exploring a career in healthcare or are simply intrigued by how these everyday heroes are financially acknowledged, the NHS presents a dignified and fulfilling pathway. If this discourse has enriched your understanding, please like, comment, and share this video. Do subscribe to Coco Finance for more sophisticated financial insights and ensure your intellectual pursuits in finance remain sharp and informed. Until next time, navigate this captivating world of finance with elegance and acumen.